Begin by reading the product's short description to get a quick overview of the item. Next, click to view all the product images. This will give you a clear understanding of the product's specifications and visual details. Click on the offer icon to view any current deals or discounts available for the product. Choose your desired picture frame size, photo finishing material, and frame border thickness. Refer to the product images for guidance on these options. For more details, you can click on the following buttons. Scroll down to review the FAQ section, which will help you understand our processes, customization details, delivery times, and policies. Below the FAQ, you'll find the full product description and customer reviews for additional insights. If you have a coupon code, enter it using the Enter Coupon Code button. Order via WhatsApp. Conveniently place your order directly through WhatsApp. Buy now. Proceed to purchase the product immediately. After reviewing all the details, place your order. If you need any assistance, feel free to text us on WhatsApp.